They said we could find safe haven, but I think it's wherever we are. You know I'll be patient despite our racing hearts. They said we could find safe haven, I know it won't tear us apart. You know I've got a lot to say, don't you run away, stay and reverie, and reverie. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Safe Haven by State Champs. This is a song that was requested, so if you have requests, let me know in the comments, and I will do my best to get to them, okay? Yeah, please hit like and subscribe and all that stuff, because it helps me out, okay? So this song is in standard tuning. There's no capo. You're gonna use 4 chords, but they're in different orders. So the verse is different from the chorus, and the chorus is different from the bridge. So stick with me until the end, because that way you'll know how to play the whole thing. Now, I'm not saying that this is the exact way that the song is played, okay? It is not the exact way that it's played. I'm showing you one way to play it, and I'm showing you how to play it and sing it at the same time, because the way that they actually play it on the album is, I think, really hard to play and sing at the same time, especially the verses. So I'll show you how to do it, how to do this song my way, okay? So you're gonna use 4 chords. You're gonna do A. Some people play A like this. That's fine, whatever you do, okay? So you're gonna do A, and then D. Now, you don't have to do D. You could do D major 7. So some people do that. It's only one note different. I think it's easier to play D instead of D major 7, but it's up to you. You're also gonna do F sharp minor. Okay, and then you're gonna do E. Just so you know, D major 7 is you just bar from on the 2nd fret the G from G down, so G, B, and a little E. Okay. All right, so that's how you play it. So you're gonna play that twice. You're gonna do A, okay, D, F sharp minor, E. So I'm showing you like a very slow way to do it. So the way it would actually be is A, D, F sharp minor, E. Stay on E a little bit longer. A, and you repeat it because you do it twice. D, F sharp minor, E. Okay, now you can do that same thing. So the strumming pattern for that is just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's what you're doing for the intro, okay? You can do that same thing if you do during the verses. But if you do, I would just make sure you play it softer. Okay, so you can do that. But the timing is going to be a little bit different during the verses, but I'll show you. So, or you can palm mute it during the verses. So palm muting, put this part of your hand as close as you can down here, just right in front of it, not on top of it. And you're just going to hit the bass notes. Turn on the lights, I think I'm losing strength. I'll wait forever till it all makes sense to me. Okay, so you could do it like that. So if I do use a pick, it'll be louder, but. So anyway, or you can do the. So it'd be, turn on the lights, I think I'm losing strength. I'll wait forever till it all makes sense to me. Okay, so you do it like that. All right, I'm gonna show you how to do it with the palm muting, because I just think it sounds better to be breaking it up and stuff. So, but they are not palm muting it in the song. Okay, they just kind of play it a little bit softer, and they're doing a lot of muting in between everything. So you're gonna do A, turn. A is turn. Turn on the lights, I think I'm losing strength. So strength is where you do D. Strength. I'll wait, you do F sharp minor. I'll wait forever till it all makes sense to me. So to me is where you're gonna do E. To me. The room is E. Sorry, the room is A. The room is spinning while I'm standing still. And I'm probably not singing this right, but I'm just showing you where the chords go. Still, okay? And you do F sharp minor. I need I need a remedy to lift me up. And up is E. Okay, then for the pre-chorus, I actually would play it like you did the intro part. So, or you could just be doing straight up and downs, but you could do until it all falls back just like you said. My heart, so you do until it all is A. All falls back just like you said. So said is D, said. My heart's is F sharp minor. My heart's not built for bitterness. So ness is where you can do E, ness. I'm on the last is A. Last train home, need to clear my head. And head is D, head, or D major 7, head. And think is F sharp minor, and think about what's to dream. Okay, so dream is E, dream. All right, then when you do the chorus, all right, you're just gonna, this is how you're gonna play it. So you're gonna start with D. You're gonna do D, A, F sharp minor, E. So you're gonna do, they said, and said is where you play D. They said we could find, okay, so find is A, find safe haven, but I think, so I think is F sharp minor. I think it's wherever we are. R is E. Okay, so the way you're playing that is down, down, up, down, up, sorry. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down. So you do it down and then like a little bit of weight. So down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And I'm gonna walk you through it. The whole chorus is not like that because the end just goes D, A, E, but I'll show you. So it goes, they said is D, said, we can find safe haven, but all right, I think is F sharp minor. I think it's wherever we are. R is E, R. You know I'll be is D, be patient despite, and then despite is A, despite our racing hearts, and hearts is E. Hearts. Then you start over. They said, so said is D, said we can find is A, find safe haven. I know, so no is F sharp minor. No, it won't tear us apart. And apart is E. So then here's where you just do D, A, E. Apart. You know I've got, so got is D. Got a lot to say, don't you run. Run away is A. Run away, stay and rev. I don't even know what this word is. Reverie. Comment in the description if you know, or in the. Let me know in the comments if you know what this word means and tell me what it is. Reverie. So stay in reverie. Reverie is E. Reverie in reverie, and then you're gonna do the intro part again. So you do. So then you go back and play that. So you play that once. So in the intro you play it twice. That time you only play it once, and then you go into the second verse. Okay. Then you play the next chorus, and then the bridge is actually B minor and D, and then you do B minor again, D, and then you end it with E. So you're gonna do. Let's rewrite the part where everything goes to hell for me. Out, so you do, let's is B minor, and then everything is D, and then out of spite. So out is B minor, out of spite, I'm taking one. So one is D, one last chance to find my sanity. So find is E, find my sanity. And then you'll play the intro part, so you play it twice. And then you'll go into that chorus. Now that last chorus, for the first few lines of it, you're only gonna do single strums. They said we could find safe haven, but I think it's wherever we are. You know I'll be patient despite our racing hearts. They said we could find safe haven. So that part you're actually not supposed to have any chords on they said. Until you get to find, that's where you're supposed to play A. Find safe haven. Anyway, that's how you play the song. I forgot to mention earlier that you do play B minor. At the very beginning, I didn't mention that. So sorry, there's actually 5 chords. I apologize. Anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching. It's been fun, and see me next time.